Hello my crochet friends, this is Lady Jenna and welcome back to my channel. I've gone through my stash of different kits that I still have to do, and I would like to share with you what I have, and also you can give me some suggestions what you want me to do next. I have quite a few kits. It's not only crochet kits, it's other kits. Let me go through them one at a time and you can tell me in the comments what you would like to see from me. Let's start off with these. These are embroidery kits. These are beginner friendly. If you've never embroidered before, this would be the kits to start with. These I've purchased at Dollarama and they're $4 each. I've done a few of these already, but I still have these two to do. So if this is something you'd like to see me do, let me know. Next, I have this clock. It's again something I purchased from Dollarama. I believe it cost me $4.55 Canadian dollars. And I thought this was very interesting because I can actually paint this, use alcohol marker, oil pastel, and create an image and complete the clock. It comes with everything you need. You just need to add a battery. Let me just remove it from the plastic and show you a little bit better. And it's a nice, sturdy wooden clock. I found this to be very interesting, and if this is something you would like to see me try to do, because I am not a painter, I am not a drawer, but I will definitely try to do something with this. Since we are going through Dollarama stuff, I have found macrame kits at Dollarama. I was very surprised to find these. These are very recent. They cost me $4.50 each, and they have 4 different models. So this is a star, the moon, a random design, and then you have something that looks like a dream catcher. I don't know if these are beginner friendly. I've got one open right here and it does come with everything that you need. And here is the instructions. It's in black and white, but I think I can see enough. I will try to follow this and see if I can make this macrame. It looks a little bit more involved than what I used to, but for $4.50 purchase at Dollarama, I believe this is a very good buy. So let me know if you'd like to see me do one of these from Dollarama. We are going to continue with macrame. These kits I've purchased from Temu. I've got quite a few kits. So first one that I want to show you is this one. This is to make Christmas trees. It comes with everything to make it, and this is the Christmas tree it does. Looks very interesting. I can't wait to try this. Maybe I'll do them a little bit later in the year, closer to Christmas, or I can do it before. Just let me know. In this box here, this is another macrame kit. Let me see if I can find the instructions. Yes. So this is the instructions. And what it does a purse. It looks a little bit complicated. Oh, there is a video. There's a QR code here. Scan to watch detailed videos. That's a good thing. And I will definitely put a little picture on the screen to show you how the purse looks. If this is the thing that you would like to see me do next, let me know. I don't know what the price is. The price at Temu changes all the time. If this is something that would interest you, you can search for it on Temu. And also the Christmas tree, I don't remember how much that one costs either. So this next kit is this. This makes an owl. Okay, so let's see if we have a picture of the owl. We do have one, but it's quite faint. It's not very big of a picture. I guess we can see it enough. But so this is the owl. There is no other instructions besides the reference to the tutorial online. So hopefully the tutorial is detailed enough so I can make this. So if this is something you would like to see me do, let me know. And lastly, for macrame stuff, I have these keychains, again from Temu. The keychains normally cost anywhere between $2 and $5 each, and it comes with everything you need. So this one makes this type of keychain. So this keychain number 1, and for keychain number 2, these are like little flowers. So these shouldn't be too long to make, hopefully. If this is something you would like to see me make, leave your comments in the comment section. So the last thing that I want to show you that I still have to do is these crochet kits. This one I've had for a while. This makes a little bunny rabbit like this. I haven't done it yet. I am not too sure why. I think that the reason would be it was past Easter and I thought to keep it for next year. But if this is something you would like to see me do, let me know. And also these kits normally comes with very good instructions. We will find out once I do it. And this one here is another kit I recently bought. It's a fox. When I looked online at Temu, this was discontinued, but it makes a nice looking fox. I will leave a little picture right here approximately to show you. The fox picture is not clear. I did take a little picture on the website Temu and it was like small and not very good, but it will give you an idea what kind of crochet kit you can expect to see. So there you go. So we've got all sorts of things I can do for you. Just let me know in the comments section what you would prefer, anything from embroidery to crochet kits, which I know that you enjoy, and this is why you're following my channel. I do like to do macrame kits. These are beginner for me. I've not done a whole lot. I still do mistakes when I do them, so I need to practice more and more. I hope that you enjoy this small haul. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day. Take care. See you in the next video.